Want to start recording professional-looking videos for free? In this OBS Studio Beginner Tutorial 2025, I'll show you how to set up OBS Studio step-by-step to record high-quality videos. First, download OBS Studio from obsproject.com. OBS Studio is free screen recording software for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Once installed, open OBS Studio. You'll see a clean interface with scenes, sources, audio mixer, and controls panels. Everything you need for professional screen recording. A scene in OBS Studio is like a container for your video layout. Every screen recording or live stream starts with at least one scene. In the Sources panel, add what OBS Studio will record. For tutorial videos, choose Display Capture or Window Capture. To add a webcam, choose Video Capture Device. You can stack multiple sources in OBS Studio. For example, your screen is the base and your webcam overlay in the corner. Go to Settings before you video. Set the base canvas resolution to match your monitor and the output resolution to the recording quality you want. 1080p is the best OBS setting for tutorials. In Settings before Output, choose MP4 as your recording format. Set your bitrate. 6000 kbps is good for clear tutorials, but go higher for 2K or 4K monitor recording. Once everything is set, click Start Recording. OBS Studio will now capture your screen with the selected settings. Let's try a quick OBS Studio example. I'll open a small web app and record a 30-second tutorial showing how to log in and create a new project. OBS Studio captures both my screen and webcam in real time. When you're done, click Stop Recording. OBS Studio automatically saves your video to the folder set in Settings HAR Output. OBS works great once everything is set up, but it does take time to configure scenes, sources, and settings. If you prefer a faster workflow, this is where FocuSee comes in. With FocuSee, I just click Record. No scenes, no manual bitrate setup. It automatically detects my screen resolution and optimizes video quality instantly. FocuSee automatically applies smooth zoom effects to highlight clicks and important areas, something that takes multiple scenes and hotkeys in OBS. It can also auto-generate captions, which saves hours in editing and improves accessibility for tutorials. Need your tutorial in vertical or square format for social media? FocuSee lets you instantly adjust the canvas size without re-recording. Finally, FocuSee exports directly in multiple formats, ready for YouTube, TikTok, or any platform. No extra configuration. So if you want full manual control, OBS Studio is great. But if you want speed and automation, FocuSee is a time saver. Links to both are in the description.